Miracles are at your heart's door. Every miracle is standing in front of you. The thing is, where are you? Are you in your head when you won't see it? Are you unpresent? Are you unconscious? Are you triggered by something? Are you analyzing something? Whatever. All that are forms, and even more forms exist from the ego mind to not receive miracles. So time does not move, even time. Thinking of time is also a form of grievances. So time is also taking a possibility of receiving your miracles. So time does not move, it stands still. Resentment and judgments are therefore impossible. For the reason our relationship with God is vertical and not horizontal, it is precisely at this moment that complete salvation is available to us. The truth is that there is no time, only miracles, and that is literally the end of the story. I have some more practice. The daily exercises 89, where we just review 77 and 78. Remember, you can even practice this on YouTube. You find them, the whole one, 77 and 78. I recommend to listen to that and read it. And here we just review it. So 77 is the idea I'm entitled to miracles. You too. And I'm entitled to miracles because I'm under no laws but God's. His laws release me from all grievances and replace them with miracles. And I would accept the miracles in place of the grievances, which are but illusions that hide from the miracles beyond. Now, I would accept only what the laws of God entitle me to have, that I may use it on behalf of the function He has given me. It makes some more space in my heart. So you might use these suggestions for specific application of the idea, specifically when you are triggered, when you see yourself thinking, when you see yourself in anger, in helplessness, in victims' places, in grievances, in whatever, then you please just grab that, re-listen or read or just tell it to yourself. Behind this is a miracle to which I'm entitled. Let me not hold a grievance against you, and then you put the name in, but offer you the miracle that belongs to you instead, which is very helpful. It lays down all the fights and conflicts. So please check it out. Seen truly, this offers me a miracle. Seen truly, this offers me a miracle. Great. Then we have 78. Let miracles replace all grievances. Yes, please. By this idea do I unite my will with the Holy Spirit and perceive them as one. By this idea do I accept my release from hell. Because if we start thinking and having our films that's already all fear-based, and it's just painful. Separation is happening and the hell is going on. But you can also always choose to be in your heart, to be in paradise on earth, in God's love and guidance. That's just a choice. By this idea do I express my willingness to have all my illusions be replaced with truth according to God's plan for my salvation. I would make no exceptions and no substitutes. I want all of heaven and only heaven as God wills me to have. Useful specific forms for applying this idea would be: I would not hold the grievance apart from my salvation. Listen to it, receive it, breathe in and out, and let go. Let our grievance be replaced by miracles, and then you name the person with whom you are conflicting, fighting against, making guilty and wrong, whatever. It works, check it, plays out. Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced. That's an amazing one. Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced. So, I wish you that all your grievances from this moment are now replaced just by your miracles. Thank you very much for listening, for sharing it, for following, for subscribing, and having fun with all that. Bye for now.